So hi guys, this is Austin Emmanuel of Babz Auto, and here I have my boss today.
Model Joshua.
Okay, you're welcome to
Rapper.
the best photographer in Kaduna State, Nigeria as a whole. So I'll drop his link under the comments. You can just reach him through there. So on our today episode, we want to talk. Is our guest for today. So he wants to give you guys advice and tip about cars. Yeah, basically.
But you make it sound like I have papers.
But so boss, I would like to answer some questions so our followers can actually learn from this video. So yeah, my first question will go like this. If you have someone that wants to get a car, as in first car, what are the kind of brand or what are the kind of car you're going to advise the person and the reason why you're going to give the person such a brand to get?
Okay, can I give two cars?
Yes.
Okay. The first car that I will give will be Peugeot 406.
Okay.
Yes. Now, the 206 and 307 are popular among people.
Yes.
Very popular. The 406 is also popular.
Yes.
That's the difference between this one is because it has a little more space at the back.
Okay.
If you enter the back of 206 and 307,
there's space.
your leg, exactly. Because space is different. But when you enter 406, you have a little more space there. And then that one, you can fill the tank 45, 50 liters, and then go to Abuja, go around Abuja, come back to King, and you have for. So there's economy.
Okay.
There's a little comfort. There's more space at the back.
Okay.
And maintenance cost is very, very low. Wow. Yes, for someone that wants something on the luxury side and you know you want to drive all those cars that are not rampant,
Common, yeah.
BMW E90.
E90.
The 328i.
I hope you guys are listening. Okay. So I think we're comfortable. We're okay with that. Okay. So I'll move to the next question, which is going to be like, let's say like I'm going to set an example, which I'm going to use my country, I mean Nigeria as a point of contact. All right. Okay. So now in Nigeria, if you're to get a car, basically there are by people here, they always love a particular kind of thing, especially when people are getting it.
Yeah.
And they don't know what is behind it actually until they get it. So like brand of cars in Nigeria, they have some common ones.
Well,
So if you also advise someone, this is a Nigeria guy and the person wants to get a car. So what are the kind of cars you're going to tell the person to get?
Best now. You talking about the normal average Nigerian or the high class Nigerian?
Okay, we're going to talk about it. So since you're dividing it. So we'll go for the normal one, then you go for the average Nigerian.
The normal Nigerian that is just starting stuff.
Okay.
And just has some money and wants to begin thinking about brands. Yeah, that's nice for Toyota.
Okay.
Yes. Then those ones at the top now that likes you show off and show that yes, we've made it, we've got to that variety. I think they can now go between BMW and Mercedes.
Mercedes. Okay, yes. And when you're naming Toyota, yes, even around here in Kaduna State here, we have some top of Toyotas people use.
Yeah,
right. So when we're talking about these cars and you're talking about the BM and the Mercedes, can you just give us like two of each?
well, if I talk with the Toyota, the first one I advise is Obama.
Okay.
It's Corolla, but Nigerians call it Obama now. Now the EC is mad. Where the EC inside the Obama is always why. Then also, it's one of those cars also that is under economy. Okay. Yeah, just really have nice infotainment like that. Doesn't boost tire or anything like that, but the car is affordable and you can move around with it. That's for the Toyota Obama. That's for someone that wants a little more comfort, Toyota Avalon. Yeah, it's just like basically the parts are, a little the higher side, just a little bit, okay. Heavy, okay. They're, we're talking about the high class ones here, BMW now, here, or BMW like the M10. Okay. Yeah, the just, those ones that you spend money. No, it's spend money. You spend more, at least you're going to enjoy your car, but you spend money. Okay. Then like the M3 comp now, that one I do is always a little on the nice side. But these are costly cars, or more this speed, but okay, you chill. Then for the BM,
yeah, I think that's the second for the BM now.
I've already given for BM now. For the best,
there are many of these.
C300.
Wow. So you're talking about C300 2009, or because C300 is still down. Which of the C300 are you talking about?
Any Mercedes from like 2010 downwards, yeah, find somebody to fix it on time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So anything 2010 downwards, There's 300,010 downwards.
Okay.
You can find somewhere to fix it on time, and any parts you can buy not so costly. Because these are loading cars, you get to this.
Okay. Yeah.
Then anything else, something like a CLE like CLE 250.
CLE two.
For somebody that wants to go towards the SUV side,
Okay.
you'll be hearing like 30 million, 35, 38
But I say, for a good one, you can actually start from 20.
Oh,
Yeah.
depending on the year, but
Depending on the year.
But this is something that you can put one or two family members. You yourself just wanted to have the car alone. You can cruise around.
With the luxury vibe. The luxury vibe. Okay. So thanks for the answer. And I hope you guys are enjoying this show though. And on the last part of this, I'm going to divert a little.
Okay.
You understand? So now, in our economic in Nigeria now, a lot of people that wants to get car, they always want to check the fuel consumption. You understand?
Yeah.
And a lot of people are actually working on how your car will chop less, like consume less fuel. And it means you're actually damaging something else on your car. So what are the advice are you going to give, like generally? Because some people do things without getting advice from people that know more. You understand now?
Yeah.
So if you're to give someone close to you an advice about if you're to get an economic car or you're to get a luxury car, what are the kind, like what's your money, what's your worth? You understand now? Because you got need to check out before you get any of these.
Well, I think the first thing I advise is before the person even goes to see the car, they should go to a mechanic that they trust.
Okay, I know what he's doing.
A mechanic that knows what he's doing.
Okay.
Because you go with a mechanic that knows what he's doing, but you don't really trust him like that. You can go there, you go right here, stay. The first thing is you go with a mechanic that you trust, okay, that knows what he's doing, then get there first. And then at least on your own, know some certain things. Know, depending on the brand of the car. You should maybe have probably Google or Chat GPT or one of this stuff where you're like, hey, this particular brand of car that I'm going to look for, what are the common things that always disturb this car that people talk about?
Exactly.
So the moment you go, they say, bro, this is the car. This is this suspension. Is it clean? So that you're like, okay, no problem. Open the water pump.
Let's see what.
Let's see what is it. Let me see the oil filter. Has it been changed? Is it new? You checked on the car, you it all. Yeah. What was the original tire size for the car? Have they changed it? Because if you change tire size, it takes more for.
Yes, definitely.
Good. You check the belt.
Yeah.
This kind of common things like that will add up to
The steering and everything. Just
on the thing. Have they changed the steering or steering pump? If they've changed anything in your infotainment, maybe they added one LCD or something. You check who did it, what did they remove, what did they fix, then you make some corrections.
So these are the basic things you need to know before you go try to get
before you try to get the car.
Okay. So we'll appreciate you and coming. Yeah, I will really enjoy this moment with you.
Just bless me like why C300.
No problem, no problem. So my man, so please, I'm going to drop some of his work behind this video. You're going to see the work, what he does. He's very good in what he does. Yes. So please, you guys should follow him to his own all the social media. I'm going to drop the link and everything. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.